Hello! Today we're gonna make a garbage salad.
Garbage.
AKA garbage salad. Not this garbage. Garbage because it's whatever you can find in your fridge, in your pantry, out and about, that is about to go bad, but you just don't want to eat it by yourself, or by itself. So you put it in a salad. So first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this lettuce that's probably gonna go bad pretty soon, and I'm just going to take it off the stem. I'm just eating the salad alone, so I'm not gonna make too many pieces, maybe like 4. And maybe I'll have this another day. But we wanna wash the lettuce first because who knows what's in there. You're just washing your lettuce. Wash. And you're just gonna tear it so that you can easily make bite-sized pieces. So I'm just tearing and putting in, tearing, putting in, tearing, putting in. And I have my base for my salad. Cut. So now that we have our lettuce, we're gonna put it in the bowl. Boom. Something's missing. That's better. Then you're gonna take a carrot or whatever you have. This is whatever that you have in your fridge or whatever. I just happen to have a carrot, some cherry grape tomatoes, olives, croutons. Those are clutch. And for my dressing today, I'm just gonna do a classic balsamic vinegar and olive oil. I'll show you how to do that at the end. And pepper. So here we go. Hi! Step 1, chop the carrot. Step 2, put the carrot in the garbage salad. Step 3, get about a handful of cherry tomatoes. I love olives. So I'm gonna do like a few. Like that. Croutons. Clutch. These are clutch. These make it so good. And for these, you just kind of put as many as you want. So good. Okay. Then, the dressing. For the oil, just a little drizzle. Put 2 fingers on. Just kind of drizzle it like this. And then same thing with the balsamic. So that's enough. And then the last step, well, the last ingredient is your pepper. And you're just gonna, however many you want. And I'm gonna just mix it up like this. And that's it. That's the garbage salad.
Garbage salad.
Also known as the garbage salad. Yeah. This is really healthy too. Mm-hmm.